Hello, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So today I'm going to be doing what am I reading, as well as doing a little haul of some stuff I picked up. So currently reading Unkindness of Ghosts, and I'm a good way in. This is, I guess, Afro-futuristic kind of book, which is an area, genre I don't read a lot of. So in the beginning, I was kind of struggling to really get into it and understand a little bit of the scenery and the location and what this society is built around. The world setting in this one was a bit hard for me to get in at first. But once I was able to get in, I started really enjoying the main character and bit of an adventure she's going on, finding bits and pieces of her and things that's happening to her. And she's a fighter, and I'm liking that part. So we'll see as I continue this weekend reading this and what I'm really, my final thoughts. And then I'm still reading Ethics, but of course, my Kindle is not happening. But I got a new Kindle, so I'm going to do an unboxing of some stuff. And sit for right now what I'm reading. I also did pick up some book. Now these books were recommended by Dee Dee from Brown Girl Reading, and they're gonna go in with the whole March Mystery Madness that's gonna happen. So first one is the Cuttin season, and she talked a lot about this and the set in Louisiana, the whole plantation house, and it's supposed to be haunting and interesting, and I'm really looking forward to reading this. The next book is going to be read along with Freeform Lady, and I believe other people want to join in, but it is Bluebird. So I figured it's a good time to talk about this book a little, well, not much, but because I'm going to do another video of March books. But I figured people, if you want to join into the read along for March, you can pick this book up, so you can talk about it with us. So yeah. Then have the box. So let's see, open this. I did buy another book. So I picked up the third book in the Old West series from Beverly Jenkins, and this is Tempest. Now, the character that this one is based on is Wonder's sister, and she is like this free-spirited, very much total opposite of her sister, and she's supposed to be kind of like a mail-order bride. Now, I think this is going to be funny because of her personality. But yeah, and I just love these covers, man. Yeah. So I'm going to definitely read this. Kind of want to read this month before the month over, because I'm really looking forward to see what this is about. So here we go. So I did pick up a Kindle Fire and the case. So I'm hoping this lasts me a while, because the other one honestly did last me a long time, so I can't really complain about the battery starting to die. But hey, now I have a new one, and I can use up. Yeah, I'm not sure what else is in the box, but you guys seen it. It's pretty much like the last one, and so pretty much that's it. I got it in black, but I got a purple case. I don't know how people do unboxing. I feel like I'd rather take everything out of the box, but yay! So got a purple case this time, and yeah, there we go. So it's pretty. I like the the material on this one. It looks like fabric, but of course, you know, it's not, but it's different. And still sleek, still fit in my bag easily. So nothing's changed. It looks exactly like the one I have now, but this won't have battery problem. So that's it, guys. And you know, and I've gotten quite a few subscribers, and thanks for joining. Really appreciate it. And you know, thanks for enjoying the vlogs that I've been doing. I do enjoy doing those. Give me bits and pieces of myself, and versus always doing like a sit down video like this. So thanks guys for watching, and I really appreciate it. So enjoy your weekend and have a good day. Bye.